Distinguished guests, dear professors, dear participants, it is my honor to present you today one of the organizing partners of the present conference, that is the Central European Association for Comparative Law. The aims of the association is manifold. First of all, we conduct comparative legal research that is very relevant for the Central European region. So we deal with topics that are topical and current in this region. We also draft proposals and opinions for academia, the scientific community, as well as international organizations. The dissemination of the legal research that is represented in the region is also one of our aims. And we also aim to promote the publication of our research results in the region. The management consists of professors from Hungary as well as from other countries surrounding. The president of the association is Dr. Zoltán Nagy, who is from the University of Miskolc. And in the advisory board, we have a really international scope, professors from the 8 Central European countries. There are several members of the association. The Hungarian, the Serbian, Romanian, Slovakian, and the Polish Association for Comparative Law. And why is it relevant for us, young Central European researchers? Actually, the association is currently building its international youth scientific body, in which we would like to involve Ph.D. students as well as young researchers who recently defended their Ph.D. thesis in any of the fields that is relevant for the Central European region. However, we are also open for those researchers who are not actually from the Central European region, but they are open to cooperating with us. Our aim is to engage ourselves with each other's research so that we can better know about what we are doing in these countries, and also to enhance cooperation. There are several means of cooperation. So first of all, as Professor Szilágyi mentioned, we have launched the Central European Academy Law Review that is also open for you because we provide a place for you to publish in this journal. And what is really interesting is that we prepared this law review on the example of American student-run journals. So we were studying how the Harvard Law Review or other American student-run law journals function. And we tried to launch something similar because it is really unique in Europe. And we are also building the Central European Academy blog, which also functions on the example of several international, well-functioning, also American and European level blogs. And here we would also provide opportunity for PhD students as well as professors to write short articles, short contributions that are also relevant for Central Europe. And we organized the first annual scientific conference of the Central European Academy last year. This is the second one, and we really aim to continue this in the upcoming years to create a sort of tradition. And finally, we are also working on establishing a newsletter so that we can be better informed about each other's work. It is really important that we would like to distribute this newsletter not only about our news, not only about the news of the Central European Academy, but also of other universities. So, for example, if there is a university in another country, let's say Poland, and you are organizing a conference and you are looking for participants, then you could share it with us and then we can distribute it among our members. And how you can cooperate, as I have mentioned that we are currently working on establishing it, so it will be launched, all of these, especially the blog and the newsletter, in the upcoming months. So if you are interested, then feel free to contact me, to find me, or you can also tell your interest to the panel leaders who are working in the Central European Academy, and together we can do a brainstorming and we can see how we can cooperate. So I wish you successful presentations and discussions, and thank you very much for your attention.